All right, it is tomorrow, and let's get started. Never mind the mosquitoes flying around in front of the lens there. All right. I've only been taking about 6 sheets of the subfloor over because I took the backhoe attachment off the back of my tractor and I don't have the 3-point hitch on to put the box scraper on, so my lifting abilities are kind of limited. I don't want to endo. I'm not having any weight in the back. What are the chances I could slide all 6 of these sheets off? Let's see. Oh yeah, that stuff is so slippery. It's pretty easy. There we go. Oh, got the tongue and groove a little bit when that dropped off on that bottom piece. All right, let's get back to work. Let's get the measurement for this toilet line. So 12.25 to the center, but there's a 1/8 inch gap where these butt up, so I'm gonna go 12 1/8. And then this direction we have, looks like 28 1/8, so we'll go 28. So 28 and 12 1/8. Actually, I got that wrong. It's an end piece, so I don't need that 1/8. So we'll go 28 1/8 to make that one correct. And then 12 1/8 from the lip of the tongue and groove is up here. So let me get this 28 1/8 again. I was a little low. All right, there's my center. Let me grab the dividers and we'll make the circle. Probably should have one with a pencil. I'd be able to see it better. I have a drafting compass somewhere at the house from my sheet metal training days. We would have to draft up the fittings that we're gonna make, do the patterns on paper and everything first before we put it on metal. I guess, figure that's probably a way to save metal. Make the mistakes on the paper first. All right, grab the Sawzall and we'll get this cut. I tried to film the cutting of the hole, but the camera was jumping up and down so much that I figured it probably was not going to look very nice. So let's go take that sheet over and set it in. Oh, actually, what I need to do, I need to rip this at 4 feet because this sheet is an 8-footer. That one's 4, so your starter sheet, you got to alternate them, otherwise you'd have a break on the same joist with every if you didn't stagger the sheets. So let me cut this dude off at 4 feet. So one of the things that I'm doing is anywhere where I'm have a seam going along a joist with the sheeting, I put the glue down the side. So I put it right down the middle. It's going to miss the board. So, and then when I get ready to set the next 8-foot long piece, I'll run a bead on the other side of that joist. So let me see if I can get that 4-foot section in. Actually, I'm kind of glad it's a 4-foot section with the let's see, it's place. Definitely make it easier setting it over the toilet opening, being 4 foot rather than 8 foot. All right, looks like we got a winner. Let me get my mallet. All right, nail gun. One of the things I've been doing, I don't know if it's a big deal, but I've been starting in the middle and working my way out. I doubt these are thin enough to where they can buckle, but it's kind of one of those things I'm used to doing with sheet metal. Screwing or pop riveting something, usually start in the middle because the sheet metal will want to flex up and you can work that bubble out as you go. All right, let's get the rest. I think that's it. Not a bad cut on that. That'll actually get sealed up so it's air sealed tight. But I need a little movement because that tongue and groove has to slide, so I gotta make the openings slightly bigger.